Hey friends, if you wish to fix explorer.exe class not registered error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for this list to load. Okay, if you find a Windows Explorer in the foreground processes, well and good. If not, then you can straight away scroll down to the background processes. Okay, you'll find Windows Explorer here. Right click on it and select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to install Microsoft C++ redistributable. So open your browser and search for Microsoft redistributable, and then go to the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable page. Scroll down. If you have a 64-bit computer, use the x64-bit version, and for 32-bit computer, use the x86 version. Now, mostly we have a 64-bit computer, so I'll use this one. Okay, click on the exe file, click on repair. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.